The Department of Arts and Culture and Sports visited artists in the Nelson Mandela Bay municipality with the aim of enhancing their skills and providing financial support.
The creative industry is very important in the country. They are very critical because look, they are the ones that are able, when the country is in pain, they are the ones that can express that better through music, through poetry, through books. And if we don't nurture them, it means the whole nation will die because the nation learns a lot from the creative sector. You would know that today we talk about United States, which is a big economy. And you know where they get that? The big economy comes from creative sector. They've got the biggest creative sector. And we need to be very clear as South Africa that we must develop the creative sector.
Artists, especially those with disabilities, feel there is a room for improvement and are urging the municipality to construct an arts center in Kariega.
Sinomceli mngeni wokuba amagcisa wethu ayakhula ekukhuleni kwawo siwakhulise sibe singayazi ba masibheke phi nawo ahambe abheke eJoburg afike eJoburg abanye bafunda izinto so besinganqwena into bamhlambi sibe nazo indawo zokusebenzela njenge art center sibe nazo studios zokurecorda professional studios so that sikwazi nathi ukwakha iproducers nababhandi abakwazi ukubhala emculo mhlambi nabo bakwazi uziphuhlisa iartist ngoba ke ininzi lesinayo imakapa le wena itshebile kakhulu but uyafumanisa ba amaxesha amaninzi bayahamba bothi ePlowback from eJohannesburg bakhulise abantwana baseGoli thina sisheke sisale apha thina singamakheswa so siyamnqonya kakhulu umasipala angenelele kakhulu kwi-promoters because amaxesha amaninzi zifuna kubo njengomasipala imali makeze sikhumbule njenge-artist esiphile nonkubaza kuba sikhumbule because asiphelelanga kwi-art nje sinabo abantu abasi-caterers abakwi-business abaphila ne-disability but abajongwa most of the time kukhangela abantu aba-able bodied so sithi nathi there's nothing about us without us masiyeke nokufidwa nge-information nje kuphela.
The Nelson Mandela Bay municipality has pledged to do everything in its power to ensure that the challenges faced by artists in the area will be addressed.
Issues eziraiswe apha zonke zinayo solution and all what they are raising kukuba we must have consistency on what we have promised on. Art center that they need in Youthnik, it's part of what we have put as priorities. Sile executive ikhona no mayor ukuba kufuneka ibe khona le art center ide yenziwe apha kwaNobunhle Temqolomba Art Center. The second matter is that noting that national government is putting 33 million and singumasipala we have committed ukuba nathi masibe ne-programs eziyi-7 that we are funding towards success artists and also showcasing what they do. We are going to make sure that these are successful and if 4 million that they need as an additional funding is considered in the budget that is coming.
However, there have been disputes among some ANC members concerning community development issues in the region, leading to a physical altercation. Reporting for MPK News, I'm Asandile Njumi.